Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the Renko plus moving average plus RMI indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Renko plus moving average plus RMI indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 34 different strategies, with 9 of them being winners. We have also tested a total of 442 indicators, with 182 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. And just as a reminder, all these indicators, even though we test them on the Forex market, can also be used for crypto or whatever market you wish to use them for. And in some other markets, they actually do probably a little better. So, all right, back to today's indicator. It is the Renko plus moving average plus RMI indicator. And you can see it here on screen. Now, before people jump into my comments and say what they typically say, I understand that this was intended to be tested with the Renko candles, not your standard candles. But again, the purpose of the channel is to see if we can find indicators that maybe weren't meant to be used in the way we are attempting to use them, and to see if they are able to achieve something better or extraordinary being used in maybe a different way. So yes, I understand that they are meant to be, this indicator is meant to be used in the Renko, and more precisely is probably meant to be used on lower time frames. On lower time frame, it will actually give you signals to buy and sell, exit, and all kinds of other stuff. And so, but to stay true to the testing, we've started testing everything on the daily, and so I'm going to continue to test this one, especially on the daily. What we are going to do though in this case is we are going to look for the color shift. I'm going to go ahead and move the line down here to the bottom here. What we are going to do is look for the color shift in the oscillating line here. So when it goes green, we're going to go long. When it goes red, we are going to go short. Not much to it. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing. All right, so we picked up our first signal right here. It was a short signal to the downside there. It turned red. Unfortunately, that one got stopped out pretty much immediately as price action took off to the upside. Then give us this long signal right here. This one almost hit our stop, but was able to barely avoid it. And then it was able to make its way up again, getting us to take profit. So let's go ahead and continue on. All right, so we pick up a short right here on this one. That one does get us stopped out, and then it flips to the upside here, getting a long signal. That one also gets stopped out before it flips back to the downside, starts making its way down. And as it does, we pick up a short signal. That one does get us to take profit. So what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we will pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so that puts us at the end of the year right there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay and regular members post almost everyday market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts where they mark out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, multiple different time frames, exactly where they're entering trades, exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested. It shows exactly which ones were winners, losers, and their win rates. You'll also get access to the Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. It shows exactly which ones were winners, losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those videos. And then one last thing that we've been doing is our admin Rob has been posting almost everyday scanner alerts. These are crypto and Forex scanner alerts. These are his own personal scanners that he uses to be a profitable trader. As he gets alerts on the scanners throughout the day, he posts those in the channel for all the patrons to be able to take advantage of those trading opportunities. So a lot of great benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. All right, let's see what we get here out of this indicator. Quite a few trades, typically a bad sign, but let's go ahead and count them out. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. So we have 26 trades altogether, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13 winning trades. So for 26 signals, not a horrible win rate, but that's definitely not going to meet the 60% criteria. We've seen this many times. It's a mediocre indicator. Again, didn't test it on a lower time frame, didn't test it on the Renko candles. Might very well be able to achieve a better win rate under different conditions. But with the conditions that we are testing it on, it's just not going to quite work for us. So we are going to go ahead and put this one on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.